Okay, so welcome to 22 Dragons.
So hey everybody, welcome back to my new vlog, guys. Most welcome again to our new video, guys. Today now is morning, so early morning. So now is we'll get ready. We're going to
dragon boating.
So let's go, guys. We'll go to dragon boating for the first time, and me with Karima. So
At first, we want to go at school, and we can go from school to dragon boat with our teams. The teams is from school, and we can go together. And after we can come back.
Yeah, guys, I'm going for the first time in her school because I didn't saw it. So let's see how is the school and how is the dragon boat, because it's our first time, me with Karima. So we don't have any experience before. So let's go, guys, and
we can get ready right now.
Don't miss the full video, guys. Maybe it's gonna be a little
I'm sure it's interesting. You can enjoy it.
Yeah, maybe it's gonna be a little long, this video, but still to end of video, guys, and like the video, subscribe the channel, and let's go, guys. So finally, guys, we are outside from home, and we're going fast by run because bus is coming fast, so we have to go fast. And there's my sister, so let's go, bro. Oh my gosh. So guys, we're in metro station, so let's go. We're going. It's gonna be late. So guys, now we're going to a bus station. So let's go. Now it's 7:45. So we're going. I don't know what about the bus, when it will come. So there's our metro station and La Sanari, and then let's go outside from metro. So guys, let's go. We're going to bus station, and there is our metro. So we're outside from metro, and let's go. Today is a little bit cold now, but I don't know about the full day. So let's go. We're waiting for the bus here. The bus is coming at 7:55. So now it's 48. So we're waiting. Here is our school, guys. James Lynn, yeah, this is school. So we're going inside, and here's our sister, bro, for the first time going to her school, and let's see how's that. So I will record a little bit for you guys. Guys, here's our one room. Look at there. Bro, for the first time. Here is school's office, and I'm in front of this office. Here is one salon that I'm waiting for the Karima. Finally, guys, she came for me that come to turf floor in our classroom. It means Karima. So we're going to turf floor to classroom. So finally we arrived in turf floor. So we're going to classroom. I don't know where is that, bro. Here is some classroom. Like there's a lot of classroom. So I'm going for the first time, and it was so crazy. And let's go. Camera is going fast, so we're going straight again and again.
Is okay. Right here, Chinese.
Guys, now we are going to 22 Dragon. So let's go, bro. I'm so excited, and Karima is gone already. So let's go. I don't know what's there. Where's bro? Let's go. So finally we're ready to move, and guys, we're going. Everyone is going from here, and there's Karima. So let's go. We're going to move from school, and here is gate, the side gate, and here is a lot of students from different class and different countries. So everyone is ready, guys. Let's go. And so guys, let's go. Here's a lot of people, student it means. So let's go. Be excited.
Yeah, we're going to dragon boating. We are so excited. What's happening? Let's go.
Bro, we're going. It's around 15 minutes by walk. So we're going. Everyone is coming around the back, as you can see, and all students is going by walk. So me and Karen also. So let's go to dragon boating. And here clicking picture together, all the students, guys, you can see in Instagram. Guys, look at the view. Woo! Look at the boats, guys. Look at the boats. Parmasak kıştı yar o taraf. Finally, guys, we arrived.
Okay. Michel, stop.
Guys, look at the peoples, bro. Bro, it's crazy. Guys, it's a boat. It's a boat, bro. And look at that one. Oh my gosh, today is so cold. Let me show you the water and the boats, bro. It's crazy. Phew. Look at the boats, man. Oh, here's a jacket, bro. Here's a jacket that we will get it. Oh, is that okay? Oops, kalma. Man, bike, man, bikes. Okay, it's okay. It's first time. खूप टाइट kan band आहे sir. Andaze John. Wasatish boss kashku wasatish.
Ooh, yep.
Guys, we're ready. Let's go.
Yeah.
Now. And strong down at the back. Around. Feet. And down. Feet. Down. Pull. Relax. And down. And pull. I know.
Вон они работают. Вот.
Everybody just do this. Do this.
Показать, что вы правильно пошли.
Я отбегаю на лев. Наверное, видео.
See, like this. You move forward, you go in, and then you go like this, okay? You can't go like that. You have to go like this, out of the water, okay? About here, okay. Here on top. But we should know, eh? Listen, Omi falls in the water, you grab him by the
Bro, I don't know what you're doing that. Why you're doing that? Oh, they're clicking pictures.
Touch your shoulders. Okay, ready? Fast. Simon says touch your shoulders. How many cheeks? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Guys, look at the board. How many board, bro? Bro, look at the peoples. Bro, it's crazy. Okay, we'll enter from there, okay? And then I don't know which boat. I wish me with Karma will be in one boat, bro. She's making a reels for her Instagram. And look at the Karima's class. This one.
Come on, Jack, come and join. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need some African dancers. We need an African dancer.
他这太前，他这个他对对对，他的前后脚步，他前脚哪和后脚哪不一样。
I lived in Japan. Oh. And I went to Korea. Where's Korea?
Korea.
I went to Seoul. Wushu. Kung Fu.
Kung Fu.
Okay. So Korean Wushu, Taekwondo. When I was a young man, I did Taekwondo. Me too. Okay. Yeah. Now I do this. I go. Oh, wait. Yeah. So, but I was in Korea, in Seoul, so I did Tokyo. Does anybody know number 2 Japanese city, Osaka?
Osaka, yes.
Yeah, is anything Osaka? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so welcome to 22 Dragons. You're here today to do a dragon boat event. You see the dragon boats are already there, they're prepared. It's a bit windy, but we have good sun, right? So that's good weather, right? So it's gonna be good, it's gonna be fun. Before we head on the boats, we want to talk about a few safety points. Okay, safety is very important, especially on a day where there are more waves than usual.
So when you take a stroke and you're done, finish in the back, you want to go back in front. So to get ready for the next go.
Okay.
Next go, I want.
خلاص نفس الزود تاخر بيجي بالديديكيشن. So let's go, guys. We're going to inside of water. We're so excited. Karma, are you excited?
Yeah, you're ready.
We're ready, guys. Here's our teacher, the orange one. This one is ready. Bro, it's gonna be hot.
Okay, everybody go to the other side. Go to the other side, different boat.
كمل بشوي ما يستاش خد قاعد معك خد. Yeah, bro. Okay.
Yeah, okay. You get dizzy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, she's dizziness.
Can I ask, are you nervous?
This one is going, bro. That's gone.
Those 3 go down now.
Karma is gone. Karma is gone. Karma is gone. Finally. we're going, guys.
Yeah, good. Okay.
You will get wet, okay? It's gonna be fun, you'll see. Yeah, but it's nice to be
Put your butts all the way. I want your butts to touch the ball. So I want your body to be completely. Yeah. Move a bit.
Okay, guys, we're in the water.
You can come.
Karima. Karima is busy.
Go in here, $5. Okay. Stop. Thank you.
having fun yet?
Yeah.
Okay, paddle up. You do this. Okay. When I say go, start paddling. Okay, not now. Okay. When I say stop, just relax. Okay. If I say break or hold, okay, you put your paddle in the water to stop the boat. If I say go back, do this.
Go back.
At the beginning, we're going to take one stroke every time I say go. So I say go, you do this, and you wait here.
Paddle one time. One time.
This قدم رقم نقل كلمة ديست ميجرا. We have to hold, but there's no space, bro. Bye, bye, bye. Bye.
No? Okay. Michelle? Okay, everybody hold the boat.
Karima, hold
Hold
it.
the boat. No. Okay, good. Just wanted to make sure. Push the other boat. Push. Good.
Bye, bye, bye.
One time when I say
Oh, it's
go.
opening, bro.
Ready, go. Good. Go.
Okay.
Ah.
Right side. Push off the dock.
Okay, push it. Yeah.
Okay, we'll go for one stroke. Paddles up. Paddles up. Paddles up. Go. One stroke. Paddles up. Go. 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 Go.
ما كان يقدر منه.
Let it ride.
We're turning, bro.
挺好玩。别动那个地方。
Paddles up.
I have it one hand.
Good. What we're trying to do for two strokes. So down and right. When I say go, I'll say take two strokes.
Okay. وقتی که گفت برین کلمه دو دانه پارو ده.
Go. One,
Two.
right. Again. Paddles up. Two strokes. Go. One, two. Paddles up. Two strokes. One last time. Go. Good. Now let's try three strokes. Three.
Okay.
Okay. Paddles up.
Oh, ball we got.
One, go. Two, go.
I said it again.
Go.
Let's try to do strokes together.
Go.
Is that right?
Go. Go.
Paddles up.
Go.
Let's try three strokes together. Go.
Go.
One, two,
Go.
three.
Let it ride. Let it ride. Be relaxed.
now. Go. 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 Good. Together. Should I do that again? Paddles up. Okay. 1, 2.
3, 4. Woo. Yeah, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hunter alone. Win-win. Hunter alone.
High five.
Bye.
Paddles up. Paddles up.
Karena ball ko.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
1, 2, 3.
What? I'm not at 20 yet. Not yet? Okay. So we'll do a 20?
Hold the boat. Stop.
One, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20.
Guys, it's a challenge. At the same time, kan waktu itu saya sama nih. Tuh, saya sama Tristan bisa Bandung nana.
中华或者是有点老怪。
Good job.
Ah, they've been on. That's it. Hey, we have 4 boats. Okay. What's up?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Got watch coming in. Oh, they're challenging me, bro.
It's very interesting.
Yeah.
every day I sleep here. I go to school and I go to home in this way.
Oh.
This way, to this way.
كرمة إذا خاطر شو تخو هنا بس قاعد رزمت معه كرمة بال Pad is up
70, 80, 90, 20!
Let's say good job to the other class. Good job.
Good job!
Good job, good job. Hello, hello, hello.
Higher.
My boat. New thing. We are going to back up the boat. Remember?
Oh my God.
So let's take 5 strokes back. Ready?
Everyone.
Go. 2.
Oui, and then besar mereka man. Oh, they're going back, guys, from here. Everybody is going back. That's enough.
Let it ride. Relax.
3, 4, 5, 10，陈，你要坐到边上一点，靠边，靠边。
Inside of water.
It's really important that when I go hold the
The board, you have to put it inside of water.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Are you too?
Yeah.
好玩不好玩吧？我马上会尝试过，要多尝试。照相是啥意思？这个网懂的啊。来年开的吧？年年都有。现在这活动少多了，以前摘苹果、摘草莓。
Good fun kan ma? Tanai ke bayin ci qara shakhsi wala single wala bigri hu mazam ja tanai.
就那点活动，每年都这样。可以摘苹果啦，摘草莓啦，摘蓝莓啦。
通常的地方都有。
是上头马上的。Good job.
We're going to go for 2 minutes. 2 minutes of paddling. Paddles up.
Okay.
啥样子的？
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Throw.
Bas kan. Oh.
Throw. No stop.
Little bit, guys. We're near to arriving. Yeah.
What time is it?
Now is 11:54. We're arriving racing, guys. Kenapa cuma takut? Kung kami tahu nais macam biasa kan mah? Oh my god. $28, $29, $30. Hold the board. Hold the board. Oh my gosh. There's gonna be accidents.
Back it down, back it down, back it down.
Camera push start power day. Bas. Stop, guys, stop. Five.
Let's meet at the 100 line. You know where it is?
To Sadram Muri na lebih saban stop. 7 metre yani inşallah. From here is challenge, guys, for both. Yeah! Winner!
我们赢了。
Stay on the wall, stay on the side.
Gano'n ang bakal ko, Bishi. Two, three. Yeah.
Only one person gets up at a time, right? You had a good time.
Yeah. Stop the board.
And you can do 2 live, I didn't be there. Back it down, the ball.
Oops.
Be careful, yo, handle.
take a seat. Take a seat first. Take a seat.
Let's go, guys. Finally, it's finished. So, guys, now you're going. It's finished, and everyone is going, bro. Look at there. Look at the boat, bro. It's going. Finished. Finished, Karma.
Yeah, it's finished.
It was so crazy. It was good. Let's go, guys. It was so crazy, and he was our teacher from school, and here's our water, bro. It was crazy. Karima, look at Karima. She made a lot of reels, and I will upload it in Instagram also. Yeah. So here's our video, guys. Let's go. We're going from here to school back, and after that, so they will give some ice cream for the students. And I don't know what about me. So because I'm not a student. So look at the sky, bro. Today is so crazy, blue. How was your experience? Good or great?
Good.
It was so crazy, bro. It was our first time in boating also, bro. And the single one was good. Next time, when I come here, so I will book the single one, because the single one is better, because you're going by your control. You can control on your boat, so everything you can control it. About together with everyone is not good, because someone is going fast, someone is going slow, so it's hard to control. So it's our people, and everyone's going. It's our school, bro. Not me, not mine school. It's Karima's school. So we arrived.
Do you have the stuff inside the pool?
Ice cream.
high school.
Guys, here is for ice cream, but we don't have the ticket. She lost her ticket, bro. Yeah, buddy, can you start around again? She lost it at home.
It's okay. I got some weapons here.
Thank you. Oops. Wow, what about the song? Guys, what about the song?
You move up,
Guys, we got tickets free. And about the, I don't have the ticket, but Karma, she had it, but she lost in home.
For the ice cream.
Guys, there's the one speaker. Guys, it's gonna be our turn. Fine, guys, we got the chocolate one. Look at Karima. Bro, we have two speakers. Look at the people. So it's, here we're waiting, and from here it's finished. The program, it's finished everything. So from here we're going to home, and that's it. We'll go with home, and we're going with one aunt, like she's Iranian. So we're going with her because we don't have car, so we have to go. And here's for the playing and like one studio here. Look at the games and the stage. Like, you know, here's some flag. Where is the Afghanistan flag? I don't know. That's Canada, Iran, Japan, Korean. Oh, that's Afghanistan. Let me show you guys. That's Afghanistan. This one. Here's Karima's school, and here's some computers class. So let's go, guys. We're going, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. It was crazy. So now, guys, we're going to home back, and bye bye school. James Lin, guys. Bye bye. And here's Kariman, 2 aunts, Iranians, and we're going with her, and then let's go. Finally, guys, we arrived, and let's go, bro, to home. Let's go to home, guys. We're so tired. So tired.
Yeah.
Man, we have to race, and I have also one interview, so I can't race, bro. So let's go. So finally, guys, we're back in the home, and we're so tired, guys. What should I say, bro?
Our shoulder is so tired.
Yeah, about my neck, because we did it like the black one, the paddle. It was very pressurely, because I hold my camera with my hand, with my left hand, and with my right hand I get like I hold the paddle. It was so hard. It was so crazy, and it was very fun. And just now we were back in the home, and we were so tired. We have to race, because now it is 1:58, and she's gonna be raced, because I can't, because I have an interview around 1 hour. So let's go. I wanna end the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and write in comment how was the video, how was the dragon boat, and how was her school. Like the video, subscribe the channel, guys, and I will see you next video. Bye bye, guys.
It was so enjoyable, and it was so tired.
Nah.
Tired.
It was so tired.
Yeah. No.